The calendar that is globally used today is the Gregorian calendar. According to this calendar, we are presently in 2020 AC, after Christ. The calendar is named after Pope Gregory XIII. This calendar begins along with the appearance of Christianity. The Islamic calendar or the Hijri calendar begins with the year of Hijra or migration of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Muslims from Mecca to Medina. The Hijra is one of the most significant moments in the history of Islam. Muslims in Mecca faced severe persecution. They were boycotted, abused, and outcast for their belief. In hopes of moving to a place where they could openly practice their faith, they left behind all their belongings and homes for the sake of Islam. The Hijra signaled the dawn of a new era in Islam, a new beginning and the foundation of a new Islamic civilization.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
This incident sparked the spread of Islam from Medina to a civilization that spread all over the Arabian Peninsula, the Middle East, and parts of Africa, and gradually spread across the entire world. The Hijra sparked the events that led to a small group of Muslims in Medina becoming 1.8 billion Muslims today. The Hijra sparked the events that led to the construction of the first mosque in Medina to 3.6 million mosques across the world today. It is from this incident, the Hijra, that Muslims begin their calendar. The Hijra took place 1442 years ago, hence making this year 1442 AH, after Hijra.
محرم صفر ربيع الأول ربيع الثاني ذي زمن الإسلام جمادى الأولى جمادى الأخرى رجب بن شعبان رمضان 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 شوال ذو القعدة عن ذو الحجة ذي زمن الإسلام محرم صفر ربيع الأول ربيع الثاني ذي زمن الإسلام جمادى الأولى جمادى الأخرى رجب بن شعبان رمضان 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 شوال ذو القعدة عن ذو الحجة ذي زمن الإسلام